Making perfect cornbread from scratch is so easy. In fact, it'll even give your store-bought mix a run for its money. First step, and the only step, is to sift all your dry ingredients together into a bowl. And then you're going to transfer them into an airtight container and store this in your pantry. Now, if and when you're ready to make it, all you need to do is add 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of butter or oil, and 1/3 cup of milk. Mix it well, and you're going to bake this on 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. This will be a tasty, sweet addition to your favorite soups, beans, or even chili.